hardly catch anything, but when I do, I catch a giant. Check this out. These crawdads are freaking blue. Oh, dude. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god, I thought this was a snag. It's a giant. It's a giant. It's a giant. It's a giant, dude. Hey, welcome back to Bassman TV. Today, we're gonna do a little exploring. I haven't gone out here on this point yet. I've been fishing all throughout over there on the other side of the bank. So we're gonna try over here now. And we're gonna see what we can catch. We're gonna throw this Googan Squad clutch. I mean, look at the colors on this thing. Bright yellow and red and orange. Man, that thing looks nice. And listen to those rattles, man. How could a fish not freaking bite that? I don't want to lose this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Gotta be kidding. Oh my god, guys, I got one. Oh my god. You know how I was snagged? I thought I was snagged, but I'm not. What the fuck? This is a carp. A carp freaking swiped at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god, I thought this was a snag. Oh my god, no freaking way, guys. What the fuck? What the hell is going on? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a decent sized carp too. Oh my god. It's pulling drag. Oh my god. What the heck? What was this carp doing? I literally freaking had this in the logs and I let it sit on the bottom. Man, they must be schooled up in their hella. Oh my god. This is crazy. No freaking way. I was literally casting. You saw that, guys. Oh my god. I stopped recording too. Oh my god, I'm still fighting this fish. Just won't give up, man. Just won't give up. It's okay, buddy. Can I just get my rattle trap back and I'll let you go, you know? Oh my god, I can't believe this. And I didn't mean to snag this carp. He literally freaking swiped at this. He literally swiped at this freaking Googan Squad clutch. That's unbelievable. Okay, buddy, come over here. I know you're ready. Come on in here. Come on. Nope, he's not ready. He's not ready. Now he's ready. Oh my god. This thing's giant. Hey, don't splash me, okay, buddy? Hey, chill. Oh my god. Hey, chill, chill, chill. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. This thing's freaking giant. Thank you. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, holy crap. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's get this lure out of him. Oh no, he's gonna go blind. I'm sorry, dude. I didn't mean to do this. He's the one that swiped at it. Oh, there we go. Scared me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Freaking crazy. Look at that butte, man. Look at that. Holy crap, man. I can't believe I caught one on the Guggen Squad clutch. I literally freaking was yo-yoing that thing in here and I just barely got here too. Crazy. Okay, we're gonna let him go now. Here we go. Oh my God. There you go, dude. There you go. Off you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. And there he goes. Look at that, guys. Slowly but surely. I think he's fine. He's gonna be blind in that one eye, but he'll be okay. I mean, I had a good feeling about today of catching a bass, not a freaking carp. Wow. And it's raining out here, folks. Which makes it, you know, not the most ideal conditions, but you know, we're out here. And that thing literally just swiped at this. Literally swiped at it. I don't know, maybe he was protecting his area or something, but leave a comment down below of why that happened, because I literally didn't mean on purpose. I didn't do that on purpose to snag a carp. Okay, I'm gonna go to another spot. Okay guys, I got my buddy Landon with me.
What's up, guys? We're gonna try to catch a bass today.
Yeah, and this is the new spot. I think if I were a 5-pound bass, this is where I would be. Oh my God, I got bit again. What the hell? Got one. No freaking way. He got me snagged. Are you kidding me?
Is that actually a fish?
I swear to God, same area too. Got one. Yep, got one. Oh, he came off. Dang it. I knew he was biting something. I knew I was getting bit. Hey, and I got my lucky jersey on today. My bass fishing jersey. Okay, we're gonna try Senko Texas rig, even though I kind of hate using Senkos, or I don't really like using them all the time. So we're gonna see what happens. Maybe throw on a craw later on instead. think I got one on. I don't know, we'll see. Yep, I got one on. Got one. Yep. There we go, finally. Oh my God, it's a big one. It's a big one. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's a big one. It's a big one. It's a giant, it's a giant, it's a giant. It's a giant, dude. It's a giant. It's a giant. No, no, no. Oh my God. Dude, on my new rod too. First fish on my rod.
Ian's on.
Oh my God, dude, it's like a, it's like a 4-pounder. No, it's a largemouth. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Dude. Oh, no, no, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm recording on this run, right? Yeah, I'm recording. Oh my God. Dude, it's a giant. It's like a 4-pounder. No, no, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Dude.
Oh, dude, bring it to the...
Oh my God, no.
Oh, dude, bring it.
Oh my God, no. No, 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 no.
It's barely hooked. It's barely hooked. Grab it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, look at this.
Oh, that thing's huge.
Oh my God. Oh my new rod, dude. Oh my God.
Oh.
Dude, look at the belly on that thing. Oh my God. What is
recording?
Today's giant fish day. Oh my God. I caught that carp and I caught this giant ass bass. Oh my God.
Dude.
His lips, man. Barely freaking hooked too. Oh my God. That thing's a beast. Look at the mouth of that thing. Oh my God. I could literally fit my whole hand and I didn't even realize it. He didn't even, like, my line was hella slack and I'm like, where the hell is it going? And I'm like, and then I set the hook on the thing, barely set the hook on him. Man, look at that beast in the water. Oh my God. Oh my God, today is a good day, man.
Don't let go of him, dude.
I'm not. This is a female for sure. She's getting ready to lay her eggs soon. Look at that. She's getting ready to lay her eggs here pretty soon. Nice fat belly.
How big is it?
Almost, probably 5 pounds.
Nice.
Thanks. Got it all on video for my YouTube channel too.
Bassman TV?
Yep. They know the deal. They know the deal, man. That's what we do. Catch giant fish all the time. I hardly catch anything, but when I do, I catch a giant. Have you seen a bass this big before?
Me?
Yeah. Have you seen a bass this big before?
Not that big.
This is what a 5-pounder looks like. Didn't I say earlier, if I were a 5-pounder, I would chill in this spot. I think if I were a 5-pound bass, this is where I would be. There we go.
I say 4.5, 5.
4 pounds, 4 ounces. Almost a 5-pounder, guys.
Dude. Crazy fish.
4 pounds, man. 4-pounder right there.
Lucky.
I told you to come out here. Today's a good day. There we go, big girl. Thank you for the fight. Thank you. Here we go. She goes. Ready?
Yep.
Awesome. Okay guys, so that bass was 4.4 pounds. It gave me one heck of a fight and it kept trying to shake its head and I kept trying to keep my rod tip down in the water so it wouldn't shake it off and it was barely hooked and thank God I caught that fish. I can't believe it. What a day, man. So far I have caught that carp and that 4-pound bass today. That's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me catch almost a 5-pounder today and a giant carp. So
I'll catch you guys in the next video. Keep stopping that bass. Peace.